Welcome to this lecture on project documents used for risk identification. Identifying risks is a crucial step in project risk management, and various project documents can serve as valuable sources of information to help uncover potential risks. These documents contain data, plans, and records that can reveal insights into project scope, resources, timelines, stakeholder expectations, and more. In this lecture, we'll explore the key project documents used for risk identification, explain how they contribute to the risk identification process, and discuss their importance in creating a comprehensive risk management plan. Let's begin. Project documents provide a wealth of information that can be instrumental in identifying risks. Here's why they are crucial to the risk identification process. Project documents offer context about the project's scope, objectives, schedule, resources, and stakeholders. This context helps project managers and teams identify potential risks. Documents like project schedules and resource plans can reveal dependencies and constraints that may lead to risks if not managed properly. By reviewing a variety of project documents, project managers can ensure a more comprehensive approach to risk identification, reducing the likelihood of overlooking critical risks. Project documents contain data that can guide risk analysis and inform risk response planning. They help project managers understand the potential impact and likelihood of risks. Let's explore some of the key project documents commonly used for risk identification and how they contribute to the process. The project charter is a high-level document that outlines the project's objectives, scope, stakeholders, and key deliverables. It provides an overview of the project's purpose and helps set the context for risk identification. By reviewing the project charter, project managers can identify risks related to project scope, stakeholder expectations, and overall project alignment. The project scope statement defines the project's boundaries, deliverables, and acceptance criteria. It provides clarity on what is included and excluded from the project. Reviewing the project scope statement can help identify risks related to scope creep, unclear requirements, or scope changes. The work breakdown structure, or WBS, is a hierarchical breakdown of project tasks and deliverables. It provides a detailed view of the project's work elements. By analyzing the WBS, project managers can identify risks related to task dependencies, resource allocation, and project complexity. The project schedule outlines the project's timeline, including key milestones, deadlines, and task durations. It provides a visual representation of the project's timeline. By reviewing the project schedule, project managers can identify risks related to schedule delays, task dependencies, and resource availability. The resource plan details the resources required for the project, including personnel, equipment, and materials. It provides an overview of resource allocation. Reviewing the resource plan can help identify risks related to resource shortages, skill gaps, or resource conflicts. The stakeholder register lists all project stakeholders, their roles, interests, and influence on the project. It provides insights into stakeholder expectations and concerns. By analyzing the stakeholder register, project managers can identify risks related to stakeholder engagement, conflicting interests, and stakeholder resistance. The risk breakdown structure, RBS, is a hierarchical framework that categorizes and organizes risks. It provides a structured approach to identifying and analyzing risks. By reviewing the RBS, project managers can ensure comprehensive risk identification across various risk categories. The issue log tracks current and past issues encountered during the project. It provides a record of issues and their resolution status. By reviewing the issue log, project managers can identify recurring problems and potential risks that might arise from unresolved issues. The change log records changes to the project scope, schedule, or other project elements. It provides a history of project changes and their impact. Reviewing the change log can help identify risks related to scope changes, schedule adjustments, and change management processes. The quality management plan outlines the project's quality standards, quality assurance processes, and quality control measures. It provides insights into the project's quality requirements. By reviewing the quality management plan, project managers can identify risks related to quality issues, non-compliance, or quality-related rework. Procurement documents detail the project's procurement processes, vendor contracts, and sourcing strategies. They provide information about external resources and third-party involvement. By reviewing procurement documents, project managers can identify risks related to vendor performance, contract compliance, and supply chain disruptions. To effectively use project documents for risk identification, consider the following best practices. Begin reviewing project documents early in the project lifecycle to identify potential risks before they impact the project's objectives. Involve the project team and relevant stakeholders in reviewing project documents. This fosters collaboration and ensures diverse perspectives during risk identification. Review project documents systematically to ensure comprehensive risk identification. Create checklists or frameworks to guide the review process. As risks are identified, document them in a risk register or similar document. This ensures that risks are tracked and monitored throughout the project. Project documents may change throughout the project. Stay flexible and update the risk identification process as new information becomes available. Project documents are valuable sources of information for risk identification. They provide context, highlight dependencies and constraints, and contribute to comprehensive risk identification. By reviewing key project documents, project managers can identify potential risks and develop effective risk response strategies. In this lecture, we've explored the importance of project documents in risk identification, key project documents used for this purpose, and best practices for successful risk identification. I hope this discussion has provided valuable insights into this critical aspect of project risk management. If you have any questions or need further information, please feel free to reach out. Thank you for joining me, and I wish you success in identifying and managing project risks.